Alright, 3 raised by x minus y equals 27 and 3 raised by x plus y equals 243. Find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. Alright, so we're going to solve this. This is basic indices. So we're going to solve with some we're going to solve, and then we'll combine this as simultaneous equation. So therefore we have 3 raised by x minus y. Of course we know 27 is 3 raised to power 3. Okay, so we'll cancel out this basis. We have x minus y equals 3. Now for the second portion of the indices, we have 3 raised by x plus y. Now 243 is same as 3 raised by 5. Of course, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times another 3 is raised by 5. So therefore the base will cancel out, the left hand side will cancel out the right hand side since they have equal base. Therefore we have x plus y equals 5. Now we'll call this equation I, and then we'll call this equation II. Good. Now we're going to combine equation I and II into a set of simultaneous equation, and x minus y equals 3 and then x plus y equals 5 using the elimination method. Therefore let's add equation 1 plus equation 2. X plus x is 2x minus y plus y is going to give us 0, right? And 3 plus 5, that's 8. Okay, so we have 2x plus 0 is 2x, therefore 2x equals 8. Divide both sides. Let's divide both sides. To get the value of x, we divide both sides by 2. Therefore we'll say 2x equals 8, and then we have x equals 4. Now to get the other value of y, we're going to pick either of the equation 1 or I or I. So let's start from equation I, right? Equation I says that x plus y equals 5. So we'll substitute the value, substituting the value of x into equation II. So x, now x is representing 4, so I'll substitute that into in place of x, and then 5. So we're going to collect like terms. Now yes, this method I use, you see that you see when a positive number crosses the equality sign, it should change to a negative number, and when a negative number crosses the equality sign, it change to a positive number. So you can do it this way and say y, since we're collecting like times 4, we'll cross over the equality sign, and then that will be minus 4, right? So 5 minus 4, so x is standing for 4 and then y is standing for 1. So I hope you understand this simple indices leading to simultaneous equation. Please do consider to like, share and subscribe to my channel as I bring you more solution in mathematics and simplify difficult concept into simpler chunks for you to understand. Cheers till I see you again.